In this video, I'll show you how to use PandaDoc Demo Mode as a free trial user step by step so you can start creating and managing documents. Begin by visiting the official PandaDoc website and click on Start a Trial in the top right corner. You can sign up using your work email or quickly connect with Google or LinkedIn, depending on what's more convenient. Once you complete the sign up, you'll land on the dashboard, which acts as your main workspace. From here, you can either create a new document from scratch or upload an existing file for e-signatures. Take a moment to explore templates and basic features, but keep in mind some advanced options may be limited during the trial. Always review document details before sending to maintain accuracy and professionalism. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.